Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, in this problem we have a one-electron ion with some atomic number z. We were asked to find an expression for the nth velocity, the velocity for the nth energy level for this particular ion. And then we're asked if the ground state velocity is 10% of the speed of light. We are asked what would the minimum z need to be? So how big would this ion need to be? So the main equation we'll be using is the equation for velocities at various energy levels. And in the text, it is mentioned that we can replace the ordinary e squared by a ze squared in the case that we have one electron ions as opposed to a simple hydrogen atom. So this is a modified version of the Bohr model hydrogen atom, where everything else is the same. So let's jump into it. This is the only equation we'll need for this particular problem. So as I mentioned, this modified expression for the velocities at various energy levels, which can be found in the text, is 1 over epsilon naught z e squared over 2nh. So if z equaled 1, we'd have v1 equal to e squared 2h, the ordinary expression. Actually, we're really interested in Vn for hydrogen. So this would be the energy levels for just ordinary hydrogen. We have the modified version for an arbitrary one electron ion. So we can express one in terms of the other, that Vn for ions is simply equal to Z times Vn for hydrogen. And that's the relationship. It's relatively straightforward. So now let's assume that the ground state velocity of our electron is 10% of the speed of light, 0.1 c. We should be able to solve for the atomic number z, the minimum one, to make this true. So rearranging our expression for z, we have z equals v1 epsilon naught 2h over electron charge squared. And v is a 0.1 c. So 0.1 c epsilon naught 2h. We can combine these together to form something a little bit more nice to look at. So using the Planck's constant, the electron permittivity, and the electron charge, this result will be approximately 13.74, which we have to round up to an integer value because atomic numbers are integer values. So we must have an atomic number greater than 14 for the ground state velocity of our electron to be 10% of the speed of light. And those are the main results. Thank you very much.